Hi, this is Sean.
And this is Linnea. Welcome back to our channel. On this channel, we're teaching easy English phrases for you to learn, so if you're interested in that, make sure to keep watching.
Yep. So today's phrase is this one.
It is, are there any inexpensive restaurants in the area? So what is that in Japanese?
この辺りで安いレストランがありますか?
So this is what you would ask if you're trying to save money and you want to find restaurants that are inexpensive where you're traveling. So you would ask if there are any inexpensive restaurants in the area.
Okay, so this topic is very good for us.
Yeah.
Yes. We always find very good, cheap restaurant.
Mhm.
Yes.
Yeah, I like doing that.
Yes. And is there any recommend?
In New York City, I guess the cheapest would probably be like pizza and halal food.
Yeah, of course. Halal,
Yeah.
right? Maybe we might get tonight as well. Halal, which one is the best?
I mean, it depends where you go because every halal place tastes different.
Yeah.
But they're all most of them are gonna be pretty cheap.
So we have to actually go often Union Square, right? Union Square.
Yeah.
In front of the Trader Joe's, like a food court, halal food. Halal food, say, right?
Yeah.
Yes, that's the best place. You should try that. And very good quality, taste, and the quantity as well. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Even for two, you can never finish it.
That's a lot of
Yeah.
food.
And the best part is that they're gonna put a lot of vegetables, sometimes like a potato. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, some like a special different ingredients on it. So be careful. There are like a couple, sometimes three, sometimes three carts. The front of the Trader Joe's and Union Square. The most the right side one. Maybe next to the.
It's kind of hard to explain in just a video, though.
Yeah, maybe.
Most halal places will taste good, so it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe.
As long as they're not overpriced.
Yes, it's good. Only $5, and no tip, and no tax, and you get the
I
three.
think it's
meals.
good to leave a tip still.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes. Yeah. There's some tip box,
Yeah.
and even still, I don't get it. For $5, we can get a soda too, right?
Yes.
That's included. I'm not
Yeah.
sure. Oh, really? Oh, that's a good deal. So big halal food and a juice, a can juice.
It's
on
very
that.
good.
Yeah, it's very good. And of course, as she said, and pizza, like a $1 pizza. It's
the
almost
cheapest.
it's almost like kind of New York American food. There's American food.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the halal.
Yeah.
I don't think many guide. If it's what is the best food in New York City, they don't mention much.
They mention the halal guys, I think, but that's it usually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Halal guy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a most famous one.
Yeah.
Halal guy. It's a halal food, but maybe they started in New York City. That's why famous.
I'm not sure. Maybe.
That's a good one. 57th Street and one in East Village too. And I really big fan of them, the white sauce and the hot sauce.
Yeah, it's very
hot.
tasty.
Yeah, it's a very hot sauce. You have to be careful hot sauce, even a very small pack like that. But I can use usually just like this, like a 2 or 3 millimeter and a little bit, and you can be burned all night. Yes, just be careful.
Yeah, definitely.
And is there any cheap food around here? You have some idea?
Well, those are the main two ones I would say in
Yeah.
terms of cheap food. Yeah.
Okay. So, but anyways, American food, you have to be careful. The quantity is so big, especially if you come from Japan. You won't believe it.
Yeah, that's true.
And it's too big. So maybe even you can share too. Sometimes for 3 people even.
Yeah, it depends
Yeah.
what you get.
Yeah. So be careful, and if you're the two, should order 2. Especially if you're a girl, maybe you can like much. I'm not sure. Maybe they're pretending. So they're not. They can eat much. Sometimes I'm surprised in Japan because they have an open door sometimes.
Yeah.
Like a men's お弁当ボックス、弁当ボックスね。
Mhm.
And a normal size, but some women has a very small. There is a sometimes surprise.
Yeah.
Maybe for sure though they cannot be full. Maybe they are pretending I cannot eat too much. I'm not sure.
I don't know.
Yeah. But then in Japanese culture, so maybe women try to be very modest quantity.
Mhm.
Yeah. And of course one thing is Chinatown, of course, Chinatown dumpling.
Mhm. Yeah, Chinatown is very cheap
yes,
food.
Very good. Like 5 dumpling, just $1 as well too.
Yeah.
Yes, that's a good one. Eh?
Yeah, it is very good.
Yeah, if you get a 10 and sometimes very oily. So even like 2 of them, that's enough. And $2.
Yeah.
Right?
Mhm.
That's great.
It was very good.
Yes. It is sometimes eat a 10. I feel like something. I can say I wanna vomit. No vomit. No juice.
Nauseous, yeah.
No nauseous.
Yeah.
Yes. But sometimes it's good if you go out. I feel like I wanna feel like that way. I cannot eat anymore.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, I want a very greasy food. Usually I don't eat much greasy food. Most of them salad.
Yeah.
Yes. Maybe that 3 of them.
Mhm.
Yeah. If you wanna eat up much money, come to New York City, maybe dumpling in the Chinatown, and 99 cents pizza, St. Mark's.
Yeah,
And-
that's all good.
And halal food.
Yeah.
New Square. Yeah, please try that.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna review for today's phrase.
Okay, sure. So I'll say it slowly first and then we'll get a little bit faster each time we go along. Are there any inexpensive restaurants in the area? Okay, so a little bit faster. Are there any inexpensive restaurants in the area? Alright, one more time at normal speed. Are there any inexpensive restaurants in the area? And that's it.
Okay.
How'd you do? Did you do okay?
Yep.
So thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like. And if you want to see more English learning videos like this one, feel free to subscribe to our channel. If you have any suggestions for one of our future videos, feel free to also leave that in the comments below.
Alright, so now またお会いしましょう。
Thank you. See you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye.